Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, please like and subscribe right now. Have you pressed the button? Have you? That red button down below if you don't know what it is. And today we are doing an awesome fashion show with Elsie. Yay! So, this girl is in my chair. I am the person of the century. So, no. Okay, so... Okay, so let's start. And so the first theme will be summer. Okay. Sorry, I'm like eating baby carrots. Baby carrots are the best. Don't judge me. Okay, so let's see the awesome outfits these non-members and members are going to provide. Oh, and guys, it's like, it's so late. Hold on. Like, do you see that time right now? Do you see that? Yeah. Huh? Okay, so we are waiting. Oh my god. I hate when people do all yellow. Is that all? At least Kelly did like some seashells. Oh, yep. I have to say this. Oh, and the people here, a big shout out to them because they are here. And one of them is Cutie, Cutey, I believe, and then Jen, Jen. And then the next one is Snowflankian. Okay, Snow, and then Flakein 2015. The next one, oh, thank gosh. Kelly 172. Fairly Wizard 1. Shadow Claw Girl 4. So yay! Okay, so guys, please comment down below like round 1, round 2, round 3, and who you think should be out. But this time, I really think it's like between, that's really hard actually. This is so hard. Okay. Snowflake Shiver Cloud, I am so sorry. So god. Sorry, like, I don't wanna. Okay. I'm so sorry, Snowflake. Oh. Well, bye-bye. Okay, so we only have 3 contestants left. We started out with 6, but 2 left, I guess. So, we only have 3 contestants left. That means 2 more rounds, and then we'll pick the winner. Okay, this next round is night. So let's see the awesome creations that I and the other people will choose. So guys, I just won a present 2 times in a row, yesterday and today, but it's like midnight right now. It's 12:20 right now. So at like midnight, of course. So let's see the awesome creation I can make for right midnight. Yep. I tried. Okay, guys. So far, we have some pretty cool outfits. So we have this girl with this, like, I forget what that's called, a heart necklace. But I have one with my best friend, Peppa Tigress. And yeah, she is the best. This one is pretty cool. And I would say change the antlers. And yeah, sure. Okay, comment down below. Don't forget to do that at the end of this video, or start making a comment now. And then comment it at the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. We are not over. I'm just saying. Okay. I speak words of wisdom. That face, so just speaks words of wisdom. Okay. That is a really good team player, and either gift her if you're like a member, or like Fairly Wizard 1 is her name, and she seems so nice. Like, if you're buddies with her, give her a big thank you, because she is like, she seems so nice. Okay, so comment down below. Don't forget to do that. Oh, we have this random rooster over here for like no apparent reason. Okay, so the theme is winter. Not a lot of people have winter. Oh my gosh. If people have like Christmas stuff, oh my gosh. I shouldn't be saying that. Oh, that is Peppa Tigress 6. She changed her look? Huh, Padfoot. Okay, so, please buddy her, and it would just mean the world if you buddied her. So the theme is winter. Oh, wait, I already typed that, but I'm typing it again, because I'm a nobody. Just look at that face. Just, okay, so, girl, you look more 4th of July. I'm sorry. Okay, I get it. Oh, shit. so bad for non-members. Like, Animal Jam doesn't treat them right. And, so if they're like, I had stuff, but it was member, and, like, I'm like, oh, girl, it is so fun. Oh, she had the snowboarding helmet. Well, the snowboarding helmet is kind of like the theme of winter, and this is member. I'm really sorry, but small, tiny Violet, you are out. Mostly because... what did I do? Oh, I went to the shop. Check this out. I bought so much stuff from it. Like, I bought this. Scroll down. Yep, that's it. But hold on. I bought that actually. Because I like the wristbands. Okay, so, oh, wait. I was just me. Do I know her? Yes, I do. Okay. Hi, buddy. I think. Yeah, you're my buddy. Okay, so thank you guys so much for watching. Wait, I still have to give her a prize. And let's see if Dove puts a bad on trade. Thank you guys so much for watching, and see you next time.